everyone, good day. In today's video I will show you a awesome feature of Microsoft PowerToys, which is called image to text. Okay, so as you know, in our day-to-day life we use many OCR tools, or in many cases we have to transfer our text from image to text. Okay, so this is an amazing feature of Microsoft PowerToys. You can download it from here. You know already Microsoft PowerToys is available here in Windows Microsoft Store. So there is a feature called in under System Tools. It's called Advanced Paste. It has many features, like if you copy something, you can do many things, like you can paste as plain text, you can paste as markdown, or you can paste as JSON. Okay, so I'm not interested in these features. I am interested in this one. Okay, it's called under additional actions, it is image to text. So by default it may not be started. You just start it here, and by clicking this pen icon you can assign a keyboard shortcut of this one. Okay, so what will it do? It will convert your copied image and you can paste as an text. Okay, so let's see it in action. Okay, so here is my text editor, anything. Okay, so just minimize this one. You can see there are some image here. Okay, so this is an image and this is another image. Okay, so let's see. I'm just copying this one. I'm copying it, and now what I will do Ctrl Shift B as my shortcut size. Sorry, my shortcut was Windows Shift B. Okay, sorry, my bad. I'm just copying it again and pasting as Windows Shift B. You can see it's transferring or converting my image as text. Okay, you can see, so it's copying everything like here in also this today. Okay, let's check with another one. I'm copying this one, copy like here. See, it's generating the output. Okay, so here is a mistake. Here I can see as the S and H is little bit distorted. It's creating a spelling mistake here, but otherwise everything is okay. So just make it perfect. See, so I think if you do this regularly, like copying text from an image, you can use this tool. It's a feature of this Microsoft PowerToys in Advanced Paste. So my plan is to explore all the things from Microsoft PowerToys and let you know with you. Okay, so that's, as you already know, you can download Microsoft PowerToys from here, Microsoft Store. Okay, so that's all for today. I will see you in next one. Bye.